Okay, hello everyone. My name is Hemang, and I'm going to show you the project that I worked on for this React course. So I worked on this finance tracker project. So it's basically a project that helps you like keep track of your income, expenditure, assets, and savings. It's designed to help you manage and keep track of your money flow. It has features such as transaction recording, so it has four categories: income, expenses, assets, and savings. It gives you a financial summary. It does your network calculation, which is basically a simple calculation. It has a very simplistic interface, and it will show you your transaction history. Um, so the way you use it, you go to a transaction, but in here a transaction, right? So this is a transaction form. You can select your category: income, expenditure, assets, or savings. Let's go with income. Let's say salary, okay, for now. And let's say amount, we have 1,000. Okay, now we can do is add transaction. Boom. Now it over here it has our dashboard. So it has our financial history, which is our transaction one, and I can do an edit over here. I can have an expenditures. Let's say expenditure instead of salary. Now it's like grocery or something. Let's say amount is like 100, and then save. I changed it now. Okay, so my net worth is minus $100. So it's basically on this simple income plus assets minus expenditure plus saving. That's a very simplistic formula. Now if I want to add more transaction, I can either go here or go back to dashboard, either go here, same thing. Let's say income 1,000, amount, sorry, salary 1,000, transaction. Now our net worth is $900, and it follows the same. Let me add a few more. Income, assets, let's say assets as in like house. Let's say 1,000, 10,000. Okay, that's our rent from the house or whatever. Now our net worth is 10,900. Now we are adding more. Okay, let me add a few more. These are just dummy. Let's just put savings as in like a bank. I would say, let's say 500. Okay, let me. Okay, okay. And now it shows that we have four transactions. Cool. Let add new transaction. Let's have expenditures again. Loss. Right now I can have whatever amount of loss. Yeah, see, we are 43 million, 40, uh, 43,000, no, $43 million in loss. But yeah, I can edit it over here instead of I can get rid of numbers, save, and now it's properly working. So it's showing all. So that's a dynamic approach. Again, it's not a very well developed app right now. The goal was to have mapping as well. One, two, three, four, whatever. Now we have pagination, previous, second page. It will show you total of 6 transactions, and it will show you, you're looking at 1 to 5. It will show you 5 transactions per page. You can either edit or delete. Let me delete this one. It will give me prompts. Now I can delete it. Okay. Now all of these what we have done are showing here in our Airtable. So this is a date, time created. This is date. This is a single select category, amount, which is number, description, which is just a single line description or text, and category. If I go here, I have the 4 category mapping options, which are mapped with my code. So that is something I struggle a lot with as well, because in my code, like whenever if I'll show it to you. Let me just get rid of this income option. Okay, now if I save this, you want to convert this field type. Yeah, it's a single. Okay. um yeah, save. Field updated. Okay, now if I go here, right, I add a new transaction. If I do income test, if I do 6 whatever, it will give me an error. Yeah, failed to save transaction because my backend is not working with my front end. Um, well, my Airtable is not working with my end. Now, if I just simply go here, edit field, I had option. Now, this is very basic. Again, I've changed colors as well, but okay, save. Now it should work. Income, test again. Let's say billionaire. Oh, now it's working. Cool. Yeah, it's a simple tracker with this, which is working with it. I have routing over here, and then yeah, I can have as many pages as I want. So here is how my current VS Code file structure looks like. I have a transaction list inside the features. I have pages features. I have reducer. I have shared, and then that's I'm basically mimicking the to do app again, but for transaction, and then I'll show you stuff. So let's start with routing. So in my app.jsx, hopefully this video is not longer. Well, I'll try to concise it as much as possible. Yeah, and so in app.jsx, let me show you the routing features. The routes are right here, as you can see. Okay, and then let me show you the category map that was for Airtable. Well, this is a second use effect that I was supposed to be working on. And yeah, this is the category tab map. I can just change it over here. You see how this is capital, even though if I would have like a small case savings up here, it wouldn't work. Let's try that now. Let me just change this to income. Okay. I later realized I should have kept it like the casing properly. Add transaction, income, um, and then we can put whatever. Yeah, I'm getting an error again. So it's working properly. I'll fix this later, but you get the point. Now let's go to the pagination logic that's in my dashboard. Yeah, so where is it? Yeah, so I had total pages of one. So okay, sorry about the inline CSS. I first had I can just do it temporary right now, and then I'll add the CSS later in the module files, but I did not track time. But yeah, anyways, so where was I? Yeah, pagination. So if you go here, this portion is the pagination part, and yeah, it just does current page minus one. So it basically dynamically shows like previous and next page numbers. You see like out in here, um, in the dashboard portion, it shows like two pages. Like, and even if I delete one, let's say let me delete this. Now there's only one page. You see now it's only one page. But yeah, anyways, moving on. And then there is a summary JSX where I calculate the network, which was very simple. Yeah, and then the styling components are CSS, and that's pretty much all. Yeah, and I also showed you the error handling, where I have like a different casing in here. It won't work, and I will have to change it manually over here. I go here, change the casing, save, and now it will work. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for taking time. This is my React project. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comments. Yeah, thank you.